Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Optima's front turn signal. First, gather your necessary tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a new turn signal bulb. Always ensure you have the correct bulb type for your specific model. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before beginning any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb assembly. Begin by turning your front wheel fully inward, either to the left or right, depending on which side you are working on. This provides crucial space. Next, locate and remove the two 10mm bolts that secure the front section of the fender liner. Gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the turn signal housing, giving you clear access to the bulb. With the housing exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. Grasp the turn signal bulb socket and twist it counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn. Once loosened, pull the entire socket assembly straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it directly from the socket. Now, take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket, ensuring a snug fit. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Insert the bulb socket back into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Carefully reposition the fender liner, aligning it correctly, and then reattach the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Once everything is secure, turn on your vehicle and test the new turn signal to confirm it is working properly. You've successfully replaced your front turn signal bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.